Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Kanyasi Dlamini, and I'm here to help you increase your wealth through e-commerce. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up WooCommerce. I'm going to show you how to change your currencies. I'm going to show you how to set up your shipping zones, and I'm also going to show you how to set up your payment gateway so that when the customer makes a purchase on your online site, you actually receive the funds into your payment gateway, and then which you can later deposit into your own bank account. So what you want to do here is that you want to go to WooCommerce and you want to go to settings. Initially, as you enable the app, you are able to do a quick setup, but I'm going to show you how to do everything manual. So first, we're going to deal with the general tab. So yeah, if you want, if you have an online, a physical store, you can put your address, your city, and everything like that. But what we want to do is you want to scroll down to currency. So what we want to do is if we want to only sell in South Africa, we can change and make the selling location to here. But what we're going to do for now, we're just going to leave it to sell to all countries. So for right now, I'm based in South Africa and I want to ensure that I have my store is set up in rands. But if I'm going to set up for international store, I can leave it as United States dollar. Right, so I'll make the videos on how to set up your own PayPal account so that you can receive money in dollars. But if you're in South Africa and you're trying to make sales in South Africa, you will need to change this into rands. So all you have to do here is just type South African rand. So now your store will show its prices in rands instead of dollars. Okay, so that's us changing the currency. And now what we're going to go and do is we're going to go to the shipping tab. So this is going to help us set terms in terms of how much we're going to charge for shipping. So again, if we're going to be selling abroad and we want to be selling around the world or United States, United Kingdom, you want to ensure that you go to AliExpress or wherever you drop shipping and you see how much shipping costs and you use that shipping fee. But in South Africa, we'll just work with the general shipping of 99 Rand. So this is the shipping zone, okay? We can add a shipping zone. Here we go. And basically this will tell WordPress, so let's give this a shipping name. So for this, let's say we only doing South Africa only. We say South Africa, and we're gonna type all the regions here in South Africa. Just type the whole country. You don't have to type Gauteng and all the little provinces. Okay. We're just gonna type South Africa. Cool. So what would be the zone name in South Africa, the zone regions in South Africa. Now we're going to add the shipping method. Okay. So we can do local pickup if you want people to come to a certain warehouse or to your place to pick it up. We can do free shipping, but for this, let's go flat rate first. I'm going to create a flat rate. Click there, and then what we want to do is I want to edit. Then we say tax status, we say none. We say method flat rate, and then we say cost 99 Rand. Okay. Let me just say save changes. Now, let's say we wanted to provide free shipping, right? Let's say people have to spend a minimum of 700 Rand on your store. So I think what we'd have to do is click free shipping here, add shipping method. We go edit. Free shipping requires a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount, a minimum order amount or coupon, or minimum amount and coupon. So we can create coupons. I'll show that in another video. So let's say a minimum order amount of 500 Rand. So they have to spend at least 500 Rand, and we have to choose coupon discounts, apply minimum order rule before coupon discounts. Alright, we just leave that unchecked. We'll go save changes. Okay, and now we've just added our two shipping amounts. So if someone comes into your store and their cart is less than 500 Rand, they will pay the 100 Rand shipping fee. And if someone spends, let's say, 550 Rand in their total cart, then they will have free shipping. So this is a nice way to incentivize people to buy more from you, which increases the cart size, and one customer gives you more money. So you're actually increasing your LTV. So this is what we can do after this is just save changes, okay, which has been done. And the last is that we're going to go to payments. Okay, so as you see, we have not, these are the three options: direct bank transfer, check payments, and cash on delivery. So what we want to do is we want to set up our Yoko payment gateway, or our PayPal payment gateway if we're using, if we're going to be selling in dollars. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to go select plugins, click there. I think just for time and conveniency, I will just maybe download Yoko first, and then I'll show you how to set it up, and then I'll also show you how to set up PayPal. So yeah, we want to go type Yoko. This is a South African payment gateway that we will be using. You must just follow the other video on how to set up your Yoko payment account. Okay, the plugin's been activated. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to WooCommerce. We're going to go to settings. We're going to go to payments. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go Yoko debit and credit card setup. So first finish the setup here. Okay, first thing you want to do after you have registered your Yoko account is you want to go enable Yoko gateway, and now you're gonna go mode live, so you can go live or test. Before you launch, you might want to test. Now you want to go and find your live public key and your live secret key. What's cool about this is that you can enable payment via safeguard. So if you have a customer that's frequently visiting your store, they won't have to enter their card details when they make purchases on your site. So we're going to enable that, and now I'm going to show you where to get this live public key and live secret key. So now we're just going to go into Yoko. You're going to have to just log in, and once you've logged in, what you want to do is you want to click sell online. Then we want to go to payment gateway, and all we want to do is scroll down, and we want to copy the live public key, and we want to copy the live secret key, and we're now going to go back to the WordPress settings and we'll install that. Now you put in the live public key, you go live secret key. Once that is done, you click save changes, and once you've clicked the save changes, you have to just go to payments, say yes, and you're going to enable the payment like this. You just go like that, and like that. Then you just click Save Changes. Um, if you want to do PayPal, I'm just going to do another video like that, just to show you how to get the live keys for your PayPal account and integrating it here on your WordPress dashboard.